In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace your weed eater or edger line or string. Easy and simple. This is so simple, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today and you said to yourself, I'm gonna do yard work today. So the day is already starting iffy and you get to your weed eater and edger and it doesn't have no line. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we have your back. The first thing that we want to do is go ahead and turn off the weed eater or edger. If it's plugged, disconnect it from the outlet. If it's battery powered, remove the battery. If it's gas powered, don't turn it on. Because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day that already started iffy is to die. Or even worse, survive and have pain for hours or days at the hospital. But now that we have rule number 1 out the way, the second thing that you want to do is turn your weed eater or edger around. And we want to get to the source of the line. You're going to see 2 buttons that you could press, one on each side, and that's going to release the cap that houses where the string is located. You might need to use a little bit of strength to remove the cap, especially if you haven't replaced your line in a while. You might have grass, weeds, or gunk accumulated. But here at the StatUpBox team, we don't worry. We know they don't call you the Hulk for no reason. Now that you got your finger workout, we can go ahead and remove the string housing. In your case, you can have a single line housing or a double line housing. Don't worry, the technique is the same. In our case, we have a single line housing, meaning if you have a 2 line housing, then you string twice. You can also do it at the same time and then at the end, cut. These are the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need your new line, and I know this is the part of the video where a lot of people pause and remember that they have to go to the hardware store first. Second, your string housing and cap, and last and most importantly, something to cut the line. The amount of line that we're gonna need depends on your weed eater or edger. This usually runs from 5 feet all the way to 20 feet. In our case, we're gonna use 10. We like to go under so we don't have to cut any excess. A pro tip, this is something that's gonna be trial and error. Or you could wrap it around the string housing and then make the cut. If you have your barbecue paper, I mean owner's manual, you can refer to that for exact amounts. You are going to notice on the string housing, there's going to be arrows pointing towards what direction you would have to wrap the line around the housing. And in this case is clockwise. Once we turn the housing to the side, we're going to see holes. This is where you're going to place your string and stick it in there. And you saw this video just went rated R quick. On the corners, you're also going to see some openings, and this is what holds your string so it won't move after you wrap it. Now that we have our string housing anatomy class, we can go ahead and proceed to adding the line. First, we insert the line in the hole, then we confirm to where we have to wrap, then we start wrapping. And the tighter you do the wrap, the better. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Here at the StatUpBox team, we encourage imperfection. Once we're done, we want to make a final pull for tightness and then place it on the hole so it won't move. We take the line and the housing to the weed eater or edger. We let the string go from the hole. We insert the string through the hole. Place the housing in the middle. We make a second final pull for tightness. We hold it tight and place the cap back, remembering to align the notches with the hole. Once done, you're either gonna have too little string or too much string. And the best is always to shoot under. Like that, you have less waste. If you have excess, don't worry. You're gonna notice that on the edger or weed eater, there is usually a little blade on the plastic outer cover. This basically cuts any excess every time your weed eater or edger spins. If it doesn't, you want to measure to the outer rim and cut. If you have too little string, then you're going to notice a button on the side which you press and pull the string until you get to your desired amount. If you have a bump style weed eater or edger, then the only thing you have to do is bump it against the ground. Once your machine is on, or you can even bump it now with your hands to elongate the string. Today, you mastered the art of weed eating or edger string replacement. You can go ahead and make your community proud and go work on that grass. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either here at the StatUpBox team or anyone in the community can help you with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.